If you have been anywhere on plant TikTok or plant Instagram, you know about the Variegated Monstera. So we are going to start with a base of Luxio Cream L, which is a gorgeous peach nude. We're going to do 2 coats, cure between coats, and that's going to be our backdrop. So let's get the base of the Monstera. So we are going to do a line in the direction that we want our leaf to go. And then we're going to put a little diamond on the edge of this line. So this is going to be the tip of our Monstera plant. So this is kind of where everything is going to flow from. Once you have the tip and the spine of your leaf, go ahead and flash cure it for a few seconds just to lock that in place. So this is a more stylized Monstera versus a realistic one, but I enjoy it because it's fast and it's easy to do on a finger. So we are going to do our first leaf. Now, if you're a Trekkie like me, these first leaves are going to make the Monstera look like a Klingon bird of prey. So if you know, you know. And then let's go on, and I'm going to add 2 more leaves to this nail. And one of the reasons I like to use a super pigmented bottle gel for leaves is because I find that it holds the shape enough, but it still flows and it makes easier work of blending. While the gel is still wet, you're going to want to round out the little divots between the leaves and also finesse the edges a little bit more. So we want to make those edges nice and wispy and almost like a little flat. We really do want to make sure this Monstera is nice and heart-shaped. Once you have that placed, go ahead and flash cure. We're going to move on to our white. For white, we're going to be using Pure by Luxio. And we're going to follow the same pattern that we did before, just in white and on the other side of the nail. Retracing that spine. This time we are not going to flash cure it. We're going to go straight into that first leaf. So those of you that work with gel know that gel is attracted to itself, so it's going to be a lot easier to fill in your leaf if you are working with wet gel. It's going to make easier work of it. So go ahead and add your leaves. Don't worry about finessing. As long as the gel is wet, we can fix mistakes. And if you have any spots that aren't perfect, you can go in with a dry brush and finesse those. You can also go in with a long detail brush like I am right here, just to finesse those edges and give it a little more crispness. Go ahead and fully cure the whole hand and then wipe off the inhibition layer. I am fully obsessed with this cereal glitter from the Korean brand From the Nail. It makes anything look like speckled ceramic. So you're going to apply this to all the nails you want that look and fully cure it. And then to complete the ceramic look, we are going to add a matte top coat. My personal favorite and what I'm using in this video is the Cocoist Velvet Matte No Wipe Top Coat. So once you place that, go ahead and cure it and you will have your finished look, and I am obsessed. Thank you guys so much for hanging out and creating some awesome art with me. I cannot wait to see you put your own spin on it. Be sure to tag me if you do. And as always, leave any questions you have in the comments.